In this video, I'll show you how to send Bitcoin from Binance to another Binance account. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So let's begin. Okay, so first is you need to have an account verified here in Binance for you to be able to move forward. Say for example, if you are able to, if you have a verified account, all you're gonna do is select coin right here, which is gonna be the Bitcoin BTC, and select network, which is, and the deposit address is gonna be another Binance account. All right, that's one thing. And the next step is simply, since we're not able to move forward, we don't have a verified account. So what we need to do is just check some reference here. It's the same thing. All I gotta do is go to withdraw. All right. Of course, what we need to do is select the crypto, which is a BTC, right, for Bitcoin. And all I'm gonna do is just put some withdrawal amount here. It's up to you. All right. After doing so, just ensure the network matches the addresses network entered to avoid withdrawal losses, which is gonna be your another Binance account. All right, make sure it's correct. So as you can see, there's a fee charge to cover the transaction cost when withdrawing cryptocurrency from your Binance account. All right, but the withdrawal fees are returned to Binance deposit address. All right, click on that. You can also click this option here, fees returned to withdrawal account. What I'm gonna do is click on save. Right, so this is the security verification. All I gotta do is provide email verification code, or if you're using the 2FAs, this is where the phone verification code comes in. Or if you opted for the Google verification, just put the 6-digit code here. And the recent withdrawals would also be reflected in your transaction history, right here. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in our next video.